Hi friends, welcome to today's Problem Sums video tutorial. This question was actually pulled out of paper 1 from one of the schools in Singapore. Paper 1, I believe CA1 question, but I thought that it will be useful for you to know this as a problem sums concept or even as a primary school mathematics concept. Right? The topic taught is average, and average is actually a primary 5 topic. Okay, and we can definitely see this in the primary 6 exam paper as well. Okay, let's discuss. The average amount of money saved by Sheila and Bob was $36. Okay, there should be a word saved here. Okay, so Sheila saved 3 times as much as Bob. How much did Bob save? Alright, now to do this, we need to know about the tan triangle. Okay, TAN. What is TAN? T is the total amount, in this case total amount of money. A is the average, and N is the number of people or number of things. Okay, so in this case number of people, 2 people are involved. Average is $36, and immediately, my friends, we can proceed to find the total amount of money, which will be the average amount multiplied by the number of people. Alright, so this will just be $36 times 2. Total amount is $72. Now this $72 is for both Bob and Sheila. Now what we know is that Sheila saved 3 times as much. So basically for Sheila we should have 3 units. For Bob it's 1 unit, and the good thing is we know their total amount of money, $72 saved in total. How much did Bob save? So Bob is 1 unit. So 4 units is equals to $72. Bob is over here. This is a question mark for 1 unit. 72, divide this by 4. Okay, we will get $24, and this is our final answer for this question. Alright, so there are 2 concepts being tested here. Number 1 is the tan formula triangle, whereby total is average times number of things. Number 2, they are also testing our basic model drawing with units as well. Alright, so go ahead, pause this video, try out similar questions, and that is how, my friends, we can all do better in our mathematics studies. Thank you very much.